Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix weak cellular signal on iPhone 15 Pro Max. For that, go to your settings and hit on cellular. Then there you can see network selection, hit on that and turn off your automatic for 10 seconds and then turn on. The other step is go to your general, scroll down and hit on shutdown. Shut down your phone for 30 seconds and then turn it on. The other way to solve this problem is to go to your general and scroll down and hit on transfer or reset iPhone. Then click on reset and then again hit on reset all settings. This will solve your problem. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.